What is up everyone, I'm Mike and welcome back to the ICO Investor channel, and today we're going to talk about another project called Binance Smart Chain. We're going to show how it works, but before we start please notice our disclaimer since I'm not a financial advisor, and this video is for informational and educational purposes only, so without further ado let's begin. So here is the Binance Smart Chain, a place for NFT and crypto assets where you can buy and sell crypto in minutes, but before you do that you must log in your account, so you can use the Binance Smart Chain and see what you can do to your crypto and NFT. If you already logged into the Binance, go to the Launchpool where you can see the Binance Token Launch platform, buy or earn new tokens directly on Binance. You can see the current funds locked on Binance is $3,888,682,335. With 61 projects launched, and also the Binance total fund raised is $119,899,390. And they have all-time 3,262,111 unique participants. You can visit the Launchpool for more information about staking and buying funds. So what is Binance Launchpool? Launchpool lets you use your tokens to earn a new token for free. The amount of tokens you earn each daily is proportional to the amount of tokens you have subscribed to the pool versus the total number of tokens subscribed. And on the Launchpool, this is where they see and form new assets in a safe way. For example, here is the ANC Anchor Protocol, a savings protocol offering low volatile yields on Terra stablecoin deposits. Total rewards, 2 million farming period, 30 days and the time until the farming ends. Launchpool gives user to monitor their assets, so they can never forget the stakings or the end of the farming day. There are also more tokens that you can stake to form a new assets on Binance. And here on the Launchpad, the example here is the League of Kingdoms, a blockchain MMO strategy game. Type subscription sale price 1 LOCA equals 0.000333971 BNB tokens offered 25 million LOCA single initial investment 0.1 BNB. Launch a project on Binance now. Binance Launchpad and Launchpool are platforms that help and advise project teams on how to best issue and launch their token. We provide a full service offering starting from advisory services from before the token is even issued, to post-listing and marketing support. Our goal is to allow project teams to focus on their project development and continue building products, while we handle the marketing, exposure and initial user base. We look for strong teams with a unique and innovative vision in the crypto space. If you think you are one of these projects, apply below. Why choose us? Exposure. Get exposure to the millions of Binance users around the world. Liquidity. Projects that are launched on Launchpad or Launchpool will be listed and have world-class liquidity in multiple trading pairs. Token distribution. Your token will immediately be distributed to a large user base that hold your token. Future synergy. Project will receive extensive support and advice even after listing, having access to all areas of the Binance ecosystem. You can earn the new token over a set period, usually 30 days. We often open trading of the token on the 7th day of farming, at which point you can immediately trade any tokens you have earned. The tokens you earn are calculated hourly, and you can harvest your pending rewards at any time. Basically, you get to accumulate a brand new coin, prior to, and after, a guaranteed listing on Binance.com for free. Not a bad deal, right? What's next? You've got your tokens and you're ready to farm, but how do you get started? Check out the simple guides for both web and the Binance mobile apps below. On the web version of Binance, go to the Launchpool page. Select the pool that you wish to stake tokens in. Input the amount of tokens you'd like to stake. Click Stake. And you are done. It's as easy as that. And on the phone app version, go to Launchpad. Click Stake now on the token you want to farm. Click Stake and input the amount of tokens you'd like to stake. Click Confirm Purchase. And you're done. Here are the frequently asked questions. Who can participate in Launchpool? Of course, anyone with a Binance account. What do I need to participate in Launchpool? Well, all you need is more than 0.1, for example 0.1 BNB, of any token supported in a pool. Which pools are supported? The supported pools for each project will vary, but as a rule of thumb, you can find the list on the project's Launchpad page. Are there any limits? There are no upper limits, meaning you can stake as many tokens as you like. The minimum you can stake for each token is 0.1, for example 0.1 BNB. When do I get the tokens I've farmed? The tokens you earn are calculated every hour. You can harvest these rewards at any time. How do I see the annual percentage yield, APY, of each pool? The APY of each pool will be visible once trading opens for the token that is being earned. We've made a sample model below to give you some idea of what you might be able to expect. Please bear in mind that this is highly variable based on a number of factors. BNB price, $23, total BNB locked, 10 million total value locked, $230 million, listing multiple, week 1 APY percent, 0.5 times, 8.93%, 1 times, 17.85%, 5 times, 89.27%, 10 times 178. 53%. Can I trade the tokens I've farmed immediately? Tokens you earn can't be traded until the project has been listed on Binance.com. Once trading is live, you will be able to trade any tokens you earn as soon as you get them. How can I see my daily average BNB holdings? You will be able to view your average BNB holdings on the project's dedicated Launchpad page after the staking calculation period starts. And that's all for Binance Smart Chain. Come visit our channel and click that subscribe button to stay updated on ICO Investor channel. Thank you for watching.